everyone, welcome to a short tutorial on string data type in Go. In this video, we will explore string data type, learn how to create and manipulate strings, and see some common string operations. First, we will create a variable called greeting and assign it value to hello everyone. Print the value of the greeting variable. Next, we will explore string concatenation. We will combine the name and message variables to create a personalized welcome message. Create a variable called name. Create a variable called message. Concatenate name and message to create welcome message. Print the personalized welcome message. Let's now find the len of the greeting string using the len function. Calculate and print the len of the greeting string. Go also enables us to extract substrings from a given string. I will demonstrate this by extracting two different substrings from the greeting string. Extract a substring from index 7 to 14, exclusive of the greeting string. Extract a substring from index to the end of the greeting string. Print the first extracted substring. Also, print the second extracted substring. Same here. Lastly, we'll convert the greeting string to uppercase and lowercase, using strings to upper and strings to lower. So here, convert the greeting to uppercase and store it in uppercase greeting. Convert greeting to lowercase and store it in lowercase greeting variable. Print the uppercase version of greeting. Same here, print the lowercase version of greeting. There you have it. We have covered various aspects of working with strings in Go, from creating and concatenating to finding length, extracting substrings, and using essential string functions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.